Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if we look at the price of crude from 2021, we have seen that it has continuously rised. Okay, and I've already told you that if the price has to rise, it will not go directly like this. Okay, you will not see anywhere that the trend line is going directly like this. Okay, you have seen? No, it will move up, it will hold for some time, it will move up, hold for some time, it will move up, hold for some time, move up. Like this it will move, and you can see in the trend of this crude. Look at the trend. Okay, but if we look at the trend as of now, if we make a trend line looking at this particular, see, if the price goes below this level, that means if the price comes close to 64, then we can see there can be a sharp fall. Okay, so now understand one thing, that the price of crude is moving above 71.56. And one more thing, see, look at this particular zone. Whenever the zone breaks out, we have seen the rise in the price of crude. And if you have checked my previous video, I've already told you that there is a buying opportunity since when the price was started moving upside, because whenever there is a range breakout, we can see there can be further upside. Okay, and this is a pattern was forming continuously, that you can check it, and people have booked profit at this level, people have booked profit at this level and this level. That is why we have seen the fall in the price of crude. Okay, so now any doubt regarding crude, you can mail me, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how this crude price is working. Okay, and you can join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. Okay, I'm not making a very big video in order so that you should check it properly and see, because even if you get 1% of what I say, then you can make a good money, or if you improve as a trader, then I will be very happy. See, now look at the price. What we can see looking at the price, we have seen the price is volatile. Okay, and it is trying to move upside. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, if you have checked my Telegram channel, I keep updating on it. Okay, see, now look at the chart, 71.54. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then chances will be very high, we can see it can go further upside to a level of 71.80. and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 72.81. okay, suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 73.96. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 75.12. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 76.99. okay, now suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside to a level of 78.58, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 79.73. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch level 81 also. okay, and if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch level 81.90, and from there we can see it can go and touch level 83.77. once the price comes close to 83.77, then we can see it can make a new high and can touch a level of 85.5 and can go further upside. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, 71.54, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 71.08, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 69.92, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 69.20. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 67.47, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 65.74. see, if the price then goes below this level, okay, below a level of 66, then probability is there it can go and touch a level of 65. once the price goes below a level of 66, a level of 64.74, and which is already tested, so chances will be very high we can see a level of 62.62 very soon. okay, if the price goes below a level of 64, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 61.77. okay, or it can go further low to a level of, or it can go further level of 58.80. okay, and any doubt, I have already told you can mail me regarding any position. And as of now, what we can see, pattern is forming. Okay, so there is a probability if it stays above a level of 74.34, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, or if the price comes down to a level of 69, okay, then we can see it can go further low, because a opposite cup pattern will form and there is a probability it can go further low. So keep this in mind. Don't be always follow proper stop loss. Then only what it will happen, that you can trade the next trade. Otherwise, if you are taking full of your capital and because the movement will be sharp, as we know that the movement is very sharp as of now from the policies are coming. So you have to understand one thing, that always keep your stop loss maximum on 1% of the capital traded. Okay, and don't invest full of your capital. Suppose $10,000 you've been trading with, always trade with per capital of around 10 to 15% of your per trade, and the risk should be 1% max. Okay, this is if you want to be successful in the trading thing. Okay, and limit your risk. And if you want me to guide you, then you can mail me, then we can talk about it. Okay, I brief it again. If the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level 72.93, and if it stays above this level, chances are high it can go and touch level 74.20, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 76.74, and from there we can see it can go further upside to a level of 79. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 69.54, and from there if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 67.28. okay, and once this level is crossed downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 65.72. okay, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see yes, probability is there it can go further low to a level of 62.90, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 62.48, and from there we can see a level of 61.77 also, and it can go further low. Okay, any doubt? And remember one thing, always keep your stop loss. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.